Hey, my friends. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite French dishes, ratatouille. It's not just a fun dish to say or a hard dish to spell. It's a flavorful, if somewhat labor-intensive, vegetable stew that should be in every vegan chef's repertoire. It's a brightly colored dish, as pleasing to look at as it is to eat. The stew's bright colors come from its array of vegetables: eggplant, zucchini, bell, peppers, onions, and tomatoes, to name a few. While French cooking is often seen as heavy and buttery, this dish is light and acidic, which is one of the reasons I love it so much. While it is often served over rice or pasta, a good, crusty French bread will work wonders for sopping it up. Ratatouille originated in France's southern region of Provence. More specifically, comes from the city of Nantes, and it was invented by impoverished French farmers in the 18th century. Like many great dishes, it was meant to help people stretch their budget. Leftover vegetables were stewed for hours to give them new flavor and life. Since meat was a luxury, you won't typically find it in traditional ratatouille preparations. These days, ratatouille has moved way beyond the peasant farms, and it's become a staple dish at restaurants in France and French restaurants around the world. While ratatouille is a Provençal dish, there is certainly no shortage of it in Paris. Since it was one of the few purely vegan French dishes I encountered in Paris, I ate my body weight in the delicious stew. Keep in mind that this is a seasonal dish featuring summer vegetables. Luckily, I was in Paris at just the right time to fully enjoy it. Here were some of my favorites. Chez Jade. This classic French bistro specializes in the food of Provence, which, for our purposes, means exceptional ratatouille. Like many of the dishes at this inviting, laid-back eatery, the ratatouille is prepared in the classic style, and there is an excellent wine selection to wash it down with, le citron. The restaurant's name translates to the pumpkin, so perhaps it should come as no surprise that this cozy bistro has a way with produce. Le Bistrot des Augustines. If this list seems very bistro-heavy, it's because ratatouille is classic bistro food, and this bistro near the River Seine does the dish justice. I suggest grabbing an outdoor table and drinking in the city. Vaudeville. This beautiful eatery has to be one of my favorite restaurant spaces in Paris. The opulent Art Deco building, which dates back to 1918, is as colorful and eye-catching as the ratatouille itself. And believe me, that's a tall order. Le Sanglier Bleu, the Blue Boar, maybe one of my favorite restaurant names ever, is known for its creative, modern takes on French classics. But the playful modern twists don't obscure the timeless taste of the ratatouille. This is a great place to eat before hitting the town. After all, the Moulin Rouge is just steps away. If you are ever in Paris, let me know which one was your favorite, or if you find another one, please let me know in the comments. I am always looking for new places as well. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Bye! See you soon!